I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to lower the volume of a specific part of an audio file in Audacity. Step 1. Open the file in Audacity where you want to lower a section of the volume. Step 2. Click to place your cursor around the start of where you want to lower the audio volume, and then click the envelope tool icon in the menu at the top of the screen, and then click near your cursor on your audio file. You'll see a row of dots displayed at that point on the screen. Step 3. We'll use this first item to make sure the audio that comes before the section where we want to lower the audio isn't affected. So let's grab the topmost dot and pull it up to the upper end of the audio range. Be careful not to pull the dot too high or you'll remove that envelope item and you'll need to re-add it. Now, grab that same dot and move it to the left around where the audio that comes before the section you want to lower the volume for ends. Step 4. Now, go ahead and click to add 3 more sets of envelope dots. You'll add one set right around the start of where you want to lower the audio volume. You'll add another set at the end of where you want to lower the audio volume, and you'll click to add a final set of dots where you want to resume the normal audio level. Step 5. Locate the row of dots at the start of where you want to lower the audio volume. Click to grab one of the 2 middle dots in that row and then move it down slowly. You'll see the audio level for that area start to get smaller. After you get that section set to the level you want, move down to the next to last row of dots, click to grab one of the 2 inner dots in this row, and then move it to be level with a dot at the other end. When you're done, click the selection tool icon to switch back to the normal view where the envelope icons aren't displayed. Step 6. Listen to your audio file to preview the impact of your change. If you need to make adjustments to the envelope areas, you can easily do that by clicking the envelope tool icon in the menu. All of the envelope points will be visible and adjustable. And if you decide you want to get rid of any of the envelope points, all you need to do is click to hold the dot at the top of an envelope row, drag your mouse up into the menu area, and then release your mouse. That envelope section will be removed from your audio file. Repeat this process for any other envelope icons you want to get rid of. Make sure to save your audio file after making any changes you want to make sure to keep. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.